My dad passed away of Alzheimer's. So I'm just keeping this tradition going. He's been in the family about 42 years. It took about 8 years to do where it is now. It's got to look ugly before it looks better. I guess that's how you want to say it. My mom has come out in the garage and looked at my brother and me like, what are you guys doing? And it's like, you'll see when we're done. And that's, wow. 79 Honda Accord headlights instead of the big bubble ones. Factory cast aluminum grille. 64 Buick Riviera, 425, dual quads, turbo 400 with the switch pitch converter, 59 Buick rear. You'd have to know the car to see how much work is done. He got around with it. I'm just keeping it going for him.